What's going on YouTube? Geosn right here. In today's video we have yet another iOS customization tool, this one for iOS 17 all the way up to iOS 18. It's actually based on a shortcut, so it works on a lot of devices. It should work even on the latest version of iOS 18 on all devices. And I'm talking about Lithium that was just released. This video is brought to you by Share Reboot, a software that allows you to easily upgrade and downgrade your iOS version to the signed versions, of course. And of course you can easily repair your iOS system if it's broken, stuck in reboot loop, black screen, blue screen, recovery mode and stuff like that. Definitely check the program in the link below. So developer Lung Inspector has released this. Is a tool called Lithium 0.1.1, and this one is a customization tool that allows you to essentially enable or disable various things on the device. It's based on MDM profiles, so it's actually quite a clever way to get some customization without being jailbroken. Remember, this does not jailbreak your device, which means any customization you do with this tool is not detectable by apps as a jailbreak, so you're not going to get banned from apps or blocked or stuff like that. This is just normal MDM stuff. So if you go here on GitHub, you can see it's called Lithium. It says a jailed customization tool for iOS 17 plus, so including iOS 18, using MDM configuration profiles and shortcuts. Really clever idea in here. So essentially what you need to do first is to supervise your device to enable MDM on your device. You do that with Cowabunga Lite preferably, but there are many other ways possible. And once you are supervised, you get Lithium by going here to releases, and there should be a shortcut. You can download this one over here, and you should be able to just install it in the shortcuts application. I'm going to show you how it looks like. It's this one over here. So make sure you have the shortcuts application in case you deleted it. You can find it in the App Store, and once you install it, it looks like this, Lithium 0.1.1. Now I'm running on an incompatible device. I don't have an iOS 17 device to test this on, and it already tells me that iOS 16.6 that I'm running on this iPhone XS Max is not supported. Do you want to continue? I'm going to press OK just to show you the features, but that's actually quite great that it detects what iOS version you have. Now here on the feature flags, if you click, you will actually be able to disable various applications. For example, disable camera, watch, iMessage, Siri, disable spotlight results, disable screenshots, predictive keyboard, dictation. You have DelayOTA, which is great. Enable Wi-Fi when powered on, disable wallpaper modification, disable proximity setup. And there are a couple of risky options which may or may not work properly on your device. Do make a backup before trying them, like disable screen time and keep the device from locking. Then the second option is home and lock screen, or lock screen footnote. You can set a lock screen footnote, text that you want to appear at the bottom of the lock screen when the device is locked. Pretty neat. And then here you have web clip generator. If you want to create a web clip with a label, you can actually put a URL and of course a title, even set a picture, an icon, and put it on the device and put it on the home screen over here. Pretty neat stuff. Then you have the miscellaneous tools over here. So disable app notification and inject font. Not sure how inject fonts works because you're not able to do it system-wide, and they mentioned that you're not able to do it system-wide without a jailbreak. So I'm not sure, maybe in apps or I don't know, but you can actually add new fonts with that. So this is completely without a jailbreak. Definitely check it out. The shortcut is available right here on GitHub. It's just based on a shortcut and an MDM profile, so it shouldn't really be patchable, and it should work on the latest iOS 18 as well and on the latest iPhone 16 because there isn't really an exploit in here, nothing to patch. So yeah, just a clever idea, just clever use of MDM profiles by developer Lung Inspector over here. Thank you for watching. I'm GSNow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.